Take a ride in the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, remote vehicle start, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.